Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how I will be designing my daughter's birthday dress. Okay, so I will be using inspirations from apps like Pinterest, and I will be using tools like mood boarding, which is generally used by all the creative people, be architects or interior decorators or fashion designers. Okay, so stay till the end to see how I use these different things to design my daughter's birthday dress. Now, before we go into the details of designing, there are few things that I had to keep in mind. So the first thing is that she is a teenager. Okay, so she's just touched 17, and so she's 17 years old, and we don't generally go to a lot of traditional or ethnic parties. So the kind of dress that I had to design for her was something that she could wear on and off for maybe a get together with friends, or maybe movie when we go for movies, or maybe when we go for dinner. So that is the kind of dress that we wanted, that she wanted. And secondly, it had to be something which was comfortable. So these are few things that I had to keep in mind. Okay, now let's see the designing process. Now, she is a big fan of Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday Adam, the series on Netflix. And so I had to use draw inspiration from that. So I checked Pinterest, and I got to see a lot of images. And what I noticed was Wednesday generally wears black and white, kind of these are the main colors that she wears. And the thing that I also noticed is that she wears in layers. Okay, there's a lot of layering happening in her clothes. As you can see here in this image, there is a kind of a shirt that she is wearing underneath the dress. And I also noticed that many of her outfits have collars. So obviously, for my daughter's dress, I decided to use a collar, or that would be one of the things. And I also noticed that she wears black. So I didn't want a full black dress to be designed for my daughter. So I looked more, and then I saw that she wears checks, she wears stripes. So stripes is something which I liked, and so I thought that I'll incorporate stripes as well. And her prom dress, Wednesday in her prom dress wore a lacy kind of a dress, which has a lot of lace and a net in the dress. So I already have something which I'll show in some time. It is of lace fabric, so I thought that the sleeves I would want to be of lace. And obviously, as I mentioned, she's a teenager, and she does travel a bit whenever she has to go meet her friends for her classes, or whenever we are going out. So she's not very comfortable with skirts and midis and all. She prefers which are mostly pants and all those things. So I thought that jumpsuit would be a good idea for her. So I decided to I leaned towards jumpsuit. So this is the final mood board that you can see. And I looked for the fabric also, and coincidentally I found this nice fabric online. It is from Fab Curate. So it has got stripes, as you can see, black and white. I just didn't want plain black and white stripes. I wanted something which had little bit of color also. Okay, so luckily I found this print. As you can see, it has got plants also. The tricky thing is that when I take the stripes vertically, then the plants are like this, like horizontal. So I had put a poll on my Instagram page, and my followers selected the vertical alignment. The poll was whether it should be vertical or horizontal. And the followers selected the vertical alignment. So vertical is what I will be going with. That is what I actually wanted. And so this is the mood board that you see, which has incorporated the different images that I spoke about, and the fact that it would be a jumpsuit. So the kind of fit for the jumpsuit that I'm going for is also something that you can see here in the mood board, right? And as I was saying, the sleeve would be of a lacy fabric. So I had this legging which I had bought quite some time back. It was from AliExpress. That time AliExpress was we could buy from AliExpress. Now it's not possible. But the problem with this legging is that it didn't fit me nor my daughter, because the waist is way too small, okay, and the hip is also very small. So I thought that I will cut off these legs and use it in the sleeve of the jumpsuit. I felt it would be very nice because again it is black and lacy, and this is how it would look. So yeah, so this is what I will be using in the sleeve. So after putting all these things, the layering thing, the collars, etc., and after sketching the entire dress, this is how it looked. This is the final design which I decided. As you can see here, it's a jumpsuit with net sleeves, and it's got the layered look. It's looking as if the jumpsuit is on top of a shirt, but actually I'll make it one single piece. The shirt is more like a yoke, but it's giving a look of a layered kind of a thing. And the yoke is black with a black collar. And yeah, so it will be a bit loose fitted, or a little bit flared, you can say, very slight flare towards the ankle, towards the end, so that it gives the illusion of height to my daughter. So this is what I have decided, and so I'll be stitching this in the following videos. First I'll be in the next video you will see the drafting of the jumpsuit, more of the things that we need to be careful about when we are drafting a jumpsuit, because there are a lot of issues that happen when with the fit of a jumpsuit. So that is what we will see in the next video, and then there would be another video in which it would be finally stitched and the reveal. Okay, so that is about mood board. I hope this helped a bit, how to get your own design. So it's not necessary that everything has to come out of your head. You can draw inspiration, and you can then create your own design, right? So I also teach fashion designing. I have a 5-day pre-recorded online course. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you are interested, you can enroll for that course, or if you are interested, I also do free webinars, and the link to that as well would be in the description box, in case you are interested in learning and knowing more, or to get introduced into fashion design. You can click on the link and join the webinar as well. So that's all about it in this video. I'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, see you. Bye bye.